Okay everybody, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be tying the orange gele, and in this video I'm using 5-step 60 length of ashoke, and I started with picking a small part at the end of the ashoke, and after that I start making my pleat, and I place it on my model's head, and I start making my pleat. So I didn't want my base pleat to be that much. So, and when making your base pleats, please make sure the pleats are not on top each other. There should be space, there should be lines in between them. That's what gives the hair tie the beauty. So I'm tying the hair tie at the back, and I'm using the longer part is always at the down, while the shorter part is on top the longer part of the ashoke. Mind you, this orange gele, you have two type of tying this orange gele. We have the 90 length with 5-step, and that pattern, when using the 90 length and a 5-step, you don't use this pattern I use in this video in tying that ashoke. You don't use this pattern I use in this video in tying the 90 length and 5-step ashoke. If you want me to make a video on how to use the 90 length and 5-step, please drop it in the comment section. Four pleats, just 4 pleats, and make sure this pleat is on top of each other. Make sure in this pleat the pleats are on top of each other, as you can see, and you secure it with your pin. Unlike the first pleat we make at the base, you can see that the pleat we make at the base there was space in between, while this other pleat is on top each other. This second pleat, you put it on top each other, and when picking, you pick small and follow it down. You don't pick one side big and one side small, no. You pick one small size and you go with that line down to the two edge. So the beauty of orange gele is when your pleats are neatly arranged. When your pleats are neatly arranged on top of each other, that is the beauty of orange gele. So when you are tying it, you make sure your pleats are well arranged and is on top of each other. So the beauty of orange gele is when your plates are neatly arranged. When your plates are neatly arranged on top of each other, that is the beauty of orange gele. So when you are tying it, you make sure your plates are well arranged and is on top of each other. So at this point, I think I'm done with the plate, and the hair is looking it small. So we need a lift to make this hair look big. So I'm giving it a lift. As you can see, I'm pushing it up to make it look high. So if you don't push up, your hair will look big, your hair will just be small. So I advise you push it up. So as you can see, my plates are neatly arranged on top of each other, and if you can notice, you can see that no side is bigger than one side because I picked a small and I followed the line down to the end. Now I want to make my hair tie a little big, so I need some push up. So I pick just four from the tip and I drag it up. When doing your push up, please don't hold the ashoke very tight. Hold it slightly and drag it. So you drag small and you arrange, you drag small and you arrange it. So the higher you drag, the higher your hair tie goes. So you can see the difference, that a little push-ups makes the gele high. And also be careful with your push-ups so that you won't scatter your gele. Just be careful with the way you push it up. So tying it at the back, I picked the hair tie. I'm arranging it neatly at the back so I can tie. So if you notice, I didn't use everything in tying it. Reason being that if I should use everything in tying it at the back, I will be able to adjust the hair tie at the front. So you pick small and tie, then you add the rest. So this is our final look. It's looking beautiful, fine. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Did I try? Of course I know I tried. So see you guys in our next
video. Bye. Peace out.